guys, check it out. Look what I just brought from our bloody Chinese friends. Have you ever seen this stuff, guys? It's got foil on one side, and it's supposed to be as sticky as shit on the other. And you know what? You're supposed to be able to plug up bloody holes and all sorts of crap with it. Check it out, guys. Look at the size they've got those holes in that 44-gallon drum. There's no way that's going to work. Now they're trying to stick it on plastic. One way he pulls it off, and the next way he just pushes it back on again, and there's no more leaks. Yeah, right. Now, we all seen that with our own bloody eyeballs. But if you believe everything you see on the interweb, I've got a bloody huge bridge down the road I can sell you if you want it. So why don't we just go and get a few tools together and test this basket out? This is going to be awesome. Grab me one of these. Yeah, this is going to be bloody awesome. Take that off. We don't need that, Pete. Kiwi brew. Yee-haw. How many holes you reckon? Yee-haw. One. I think they hit about 5. 2. 3. 4. 5. Yee-haw. Just take the rough edges off it. Just wipe them off. So our miracle tape actually sticks. Now, to be fair, they had their tape stuck on here first, and then they ripped it off, and then the water pissed out, and then they just stuck it back on again, and it sealed up the holes like a bloody miracle. Let's see what we've actually got here, my friend. Oh my God, look at that. They did say it was sticky, yucky shit. Wow. Wow, wait, look at it. Like my grandmother's toffee, really? Yuck! Probably bloody tastes about as good as well. Look at that, my friends. It's about as sticky as crap. And you know what? When I bought it online, the roll looked twice as big as this. See, this sticks shit. This sticks to every friggin' thing, man. What we need to do is find the end of this crappy thing. Here it is, here it is. Think I've got it. Maybe not. How do you even find the end of this? What the hell? The whole thing is just spongy.
2 hours later.
I found it, my friends. It took me about 10 minutes, and it's also got like a backing paper on it. So you must unroll a piece, cut it to whatever length you bloody want, and then pull the backing off there and quickly stick the shit on. What do you reckon? About that long? Yee-haw! Oh, it certainly sticks. Ooh. Roll him up. Let's try and stick the baby on. Yee-haw! Right. How the hell are we going to do this? Here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh, yuck. It's as sticky as I don't know what. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh, it certainly sticks, my friends. Yeah! Hoo-wee! Hoo-wee! Pull them off. Now, my friends, that sticks like shit to a blanket. Let's fill the bugger up with water and see what happens. I'll just have a beer while I'm waiting for it to fill up. Oh, by the way, thanks to you guys who brought me a coffee. The link's in the description below if you want to buy me a coffee. I mean beer, you know, you've got to keep the workshop lubricated. And when you buy me a coffee, if you put where you're from and your name, I'll call you out in the next video. How are we going with that? We're just above the miracle tape line, I think, my friends. We'll pull it up a bit more to give it a bit more pressure. Also, my friends, in the comments below, you guys put where you're from as well. I'd love to know who's watching me from where from in the world, you know? Because we're in the back of Beyond here in New Zealand. Just nice to know that Pete's getting around the rest of the world. You know how it is. Yee-haw! Here we go, here we go, here we go. Look at that, my friends. Maybe our miracle tape is not so much of a miracle. See that, guys? I haven't even pulled the tape off yet, and it's leaking like a fucking I don't know what. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Here we go. Right, so the theory is we can pull it off and then put it straight back on again. Still leaking. Look, 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 look. You see the little tippies on here? Water pressure. Maybe we can get it off just with this crappy stuff. Oh my goodie. It's like chewing gum sort of shit. Let's try it. Well, this shit sticks everywhere. Let's try it from the other way. Come on. Root. Oh, this is not working out like they showed on the friggin' video, is it? Holy crap. Shit a brick, man. Never believe what you see on the interweb. So it looks like our Chinese friends have bloody done it again. Don't believe everything you see on the interweb, because you might end up with holes where you don't want bloody holes. Same as usual, guys. If you like my videos, remember to subscribe, drop me a like, drop me a comment, put where you're from in the comments below. And remember, Pete's always looking for extra lube in the garage if you want to buy me a coffee. I won't put a link for this, because this is a piece of shit. And we'll see you next time, eh? Now I've got a bloody swimming pool in the garage.